Deep Nature Journeys invites you to immerse yourself in one of the most awe-inspiring wilderness areas of the western United States. Push the pause button on your busy life while being nourished and refreshed by the profoundly restful and renewing power of deep nature. For 2 days while in base camp prior to your wilderness journey, Bud Wilson will prepare you for your solo experience with practices that expand your awareness and presence while connecting you deeply with the powerful, healing flow of nature. You'll acquire and learn internal skills to masterfully navigate turbulent times while building resiliency, strengthening your relationships, and creating deep, lasting relaxation. During the 3 nights and 4 days of your wilderness solo, the dust and distractions of our hurried world will simply fall away over time as you rest ever more deeply in our most common primal and enduring relationship with the natural and elemental world. Upon your return from your extraordinary experience, the skills and practices you learn in the wilderness will continue to enhance your life with greater presence, productivity, and clearer purpose, providing a clear path for your living more fully in the present moment. Many people learn wilderness survival skills as a way to connect deeply with nature. Here with us in the wilderness, Deep Nature Journeys will introduce and train you in elegantly simple yet powerful practices that will empower you to thrive in any environment rather than just survive.
I'm Bud Wilson. We bring people together in nature to increase their vitality, their aliveness, their clarity. We help people quiet their minds and open their hearts in the wild. So we welcome you to join us. You can learn a lot more about our programs at www.deepnaturejourneys.com.